Fairbanks 80 News, Mike Schultz with you once again for a look at the weather. And what a beautiful day it was today. Not compared to the weekend. Now, the weekend looked like winter, obviously, but we have finally turned the corner. I think we're definitely heading toward a decent spring and even an early summer. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph for tonight, this one's sent in by Alicia Libby. This is ospreys out at Fort Wainwright. A very voracious bird, and they're really very cool to look at there, too. If you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at ktvf11.com. What's going on out at the airport? 56 for a high today. That's a good sign. 54 currently. The low last night, a very chilly 16 degrees, a record low. 80 degrees, the record high in 2002, 28 in 1964. Sunrise this morning, 4:11. Sunset, not quite 11:30. Works out to 19 hours and 19 minutes of daylight. Here's our satellite picture, and you can see lots of clouds to the west, but that's where they're going to stay because high pressure is really dominating all of the central sections and right on down to south central and over southeast Alaska. You see that because that's reflected in the temperatures. Look at the temperatures, very nice. 50s and 50s everywhere you're looking. Tomorrow it'll be in the 60s over much of southeast Alaska. Again, 56 degrees around the Fairbanks area. Little rain falling at Nome area, 34 degrees. Cloudy skies in Barrow and Fort Yukon, 52 degrees and lots of sunshine. Okay, lower 48 weather. In case you have not heard, it's been a very, very violent day across much of Texas, Oklahoma, into Kansas. Tornadoes, unfortunately, have taken 51 lives, caused widespread property damage. You'll see more on the NBC Nightly News. They've got good coverage for that tonight. Elsewhere, we have rain across the Pacific Northwest. And on the satellite and radar, you can see these storms just explode across parts of Oklahoma into Kansas and Missouri. They're moving slowly to the east and taking with them, again, more possibilities of more tornadoes, all because of this area of low pressure sitting here. This storm system has got a lot of things going for it. It's got a strong jet stream coming out of the southwest, a cold air to the northwest, and warm and humid air to the southeast, all those working together to bring the violent weather and the tornadoes. Unfortunately, things look a little better for tomorrow, but still some severe weather expected across much of the country. Back to Alaska for tomorrow, though, things are a lot quieter. Little rain and snow at Barrow, rain showers for Nome, and sunny skies in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, couldn't ask for better weather. Mostly sunny skies and warmer at Fairbanks and Healy. Temperatures over 60 degrees, too. That's good to see. Over southeast Alaska, looks like a few clouds at Ketchikan. Otherwise, lots of sunshine expected in Juneau. Out to the southwest, a little sloppy out there. Rainy conditions at Bethel and Cold Bay, cloudy skies at Kodiak. And over the south central sections, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies at Anchorage, Homer, and Valdez. Well, the sunshine is coming out. The temperatures are warming up, which means the pollen count is going to be changing. In fact, our pollen count has changed since last week. The trees are getting to medium levels, still low levels for weeds, mold, and grass. And again, thanks to our friends at the Tanana Valley Clinic for updating that with us each week. Our forecast for tonight, mostly clear skies and a little warmer, 28 degrees for the overnight low. Here comes the good news, though. Look at the highs tomorrow, 61 degrees, another day like today, lots of sunshine, and it looks even better on the 5-day outlook, as you can see here, looking at temperatures rising to the low 70s by this weekend, and daytime highs, or overnight lows, I should say, also warming up very nicely to 40 degrees. No precipitation expected, so finally, we're going to finally get our just rewards, guys, and get into more of a springtime atmosphere. And the long-range outlook is calling for even warmer temperatures for Memorial Day.
Wow. No, we talking temperatures in the mid-70s or so?
Possibly.